Well, you pre-plan, and an experienced campaigner like Hasan Ali would only bowl within the stumps.
Yeah, Hasan Ali spot on, keeping his eyes on what the batter is doing. Santala just made his partner run out. He wanted the strike so bad. He referred it to the third umpire. And now we know it.
Phone a friend is a popular option these days. That's all that I can say.
Out. Straight to the third. Osama Mir makes no mistake. Smartly bowled outside the off-stump cutter. In the air, should be taken. Mr. Malik, Shoaib Malik takes it quite comfortably. 4 wickets and the 4 last deliveries for Hasan Ali, courtesy to 1 run out. That has been a brilliant end to this inning from Hasan Ali. Getting wickets, not giving away much in this over, just 7 runs coming with 4 wickets.